Learning how to speak, especially on short video platforms like TikTok, Instagram, is one of the most powerful and monetizable skills that you can have right now. I was just having a conversation with Brand Nat, who you might know from TikTok. She's an AI influencer, and we were chatting about the fact that I'm doing most of my videos just in one take, being able to speak straight to camera, no edits, and not particularly faltering over my sentences, but being able to deliver the content quite fluidly. The reason for this is I've been doing this on purpose and practicing over the last 6 weeks. I've been focusing on short form video for just over a month, and in this time increasingly I've just been focusing on doing one take videos. It's really hard. You should see my reels. I mean, there are many drafts. I have to restart them again and again and again. But the main thing is that I am practicing the skill and getting better at it each and every single day. If you look at my videos from about 6 weeks ago, they are either edited, so there's lots and lots of cuts because I couldn't even get more than one sentence out, or they're one take and I'm umming and erring and I'm tripping over my words and not able to string together a sentence together. But I've practiced 3 to 5 videos every single day for 6 weeks, and that has allowed me to build up the skill. More than that though, what that's allowed me to do is to become better at public speaking. So a lot of the things that I talk about in these short videos are also ideas that I cover in my workshops and in presentations that I give on stage or in small rooms as workshops. Being able to deliver these ideas and to encapsulate them into short videos transfers into fluidity in those other spaces as well. So what I'm forcing myself to do, and it's really hard and I do not enjoy it, is to build those skills by delivering straight to camera in one go. What I would say is, if you want to learn this skill as well, and I think public speaking is an incredibly powerful tool, and it's going to be even more powerful as we move into the AI world and face-to-face communication is going to become more valuable. If you want to build this skill, start by doing short videos like this, talking straight to camera, do not edit. Focus on just getting a one-shot take out of the way. The first few times you do it, it's going to be absolutely horrible and you're going to have to restart it again and again and again. But if you persist and you continue to do this for multiple weeks, and it might take you several hours a day, it doesn't really matter, you can build up this skill over time until you get to the point where you can just sit down and deliver a video like this without much preparation or pre-thought. I do not have a script, I do not have any notes, I just had 2 or 3 points that I wanted to make, and then I'm able to deliver them to you. What this allows you to do, which is great for platforms like TikTok, is to produce content in volume. I can now produce my 3 to 5 videos per day very quickly because I'm able to talk straight to camera. I'm not having to mess around with editing. I'm able to just get ideas out there, record and publish pretty much immediately. So it's going to do multiple duties here. It's going to allow you to grow on social media platforms, which is going to get you known. It's going to get you in front of people. It's going to get you coaching clients. It's going to get you workshops. It's going to sell products, whatever. And at the same time, it's going to build up your public speaking skills. So if you are doing workshops, if you are doing presentations, if you're doing keynotes, you are going to be able to do them more easily as well. So I would say in 2024, this is one of the most vital skills you can work on. All of this week in the newsletter, I've been talking about how you can create and present and monetize workshops. I personally get paid multiple thousands for going and doing a 1-hour workshop, which is great. And this has come in the last few months because of building a presence on social media platforms like TikTok. And if you are an expert and you run a business, you can do this as well. You do need to build up your public speaking chops. You do need to build up an audience on social media doing this. And I think that public speaking and being able to deliver straight to camera like I'm doing right now is probably one of the most powerful ways you can do this. So I wanted to shoot a quick video to nudge you in that direction and just get you practicing doing one-take videos.